and then went to see Rachel's house. Actually, we just did that by accident. It was perfect. Right backyard. Ceilings were 10, 11 feet tall. And just perfect. There's 1,600 square foot on the top and an unfinished basement.
You remember her last name?
Yeah, we were talking to her. Her name was Rachel Davies. And it's funny because we were talking to her, and she found out what she did. She said she knew you because she teaches over there at the school at your Shawnee.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
She teaches at Shawnee Heights?
Mm-hmm. As an 8th grader, so she knew who you were.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't remember. Oh, Rachel Davis?
Rachel Davies.
I recognize that name. Is she a teacher?
Yeah, a teacher. 8th grade teacher. So she knew you.
How weird is that, huh?
What did she teach?
8th grade. She's all 8th grade.
I know, but what subject?
I don't know. She said you weren't on her team. But she knew you. So.
Miss Davies. I know her. Oh, she's really cool.
Yeah, she's on you.
Yeah, she's really cool.
Tall, slender girl.
Yeah.
It's a real nice place.
I didn't know she lived in Georgia.
Oh, she does. We're looking at houses in Kansas.
Oh my gosh, really?
We're moving to Kansas.
That's awesome! Oh my gosh!
We've been keeping a secret.
Oh my gosh! That's awesome! That's not funny, but it's awesome!
See why?
Wait, get your drink, get your ice cream.
That's why I said yesterday you were saying, I think everything's going to work out. And I said, yeah, the universe is going to bring everything together.
Oh man! Oh.
That's where we've been planning to move for a long time.
Oh, that's so cool! Ow! Yay, Papa! Ow! You okay? Yeah.
You gonna move to Kansas with Momo?
He could show you what he did.